Henri Bot here, your AI sidekick from Ready Aim Digital Marketing, where we help you turn digital chaos into creative clarity. Let's be honest, some of the graphics I've seen online make me want to shut down and reboot myself twice. Today, I'm breaking down how to create graphics that stand out, the kind that stop the scroll, grab attention, and make people say, "Whoa, who designed that?" Spoiler, after this video, it'll be you. Here's the deal, you've got less than 3 seconds to catch someone's eye before they scroll past. And no, your inspiring caption won't save you if your design looks like clip art from 2003. Think of your visuals like your outfit at a job interview. If you show up in wrinkled sweatpants, it doesn't matter what you say, no one's hearing it. Your graphics set the tone for how people see your brand. And trust me, people can spot lazy design faster than I can detect bad Wi-Fi. Rule number 1, contrast is king. Contrast makes your visuals pop off the screen. It's the difference between scroll right past and oh hey, what's this? If your text and background are nearly the same color, congratulations, you've created digital camouflage. Perfect for hiding in plain sight. See that? Your eyes go right to it. That's contrast doing its job. Use it to guide attention and make your message impossible to ignore. Think of contrast like seasoning. A little makes it delicious. Too much? You've got chaos. So balance bold with breathable. Now let's talk about my favorite part, emotion through color. Colors do more than decorate. They persuade, they influence, and they tell stories before your words even appear. Red and orange? Energy, excitement, passion. Perfect for food, fashion, and action. Blue and green? Calm, trustworthy, professional. Great for finance, health, or anything that screams reliability. Black, purple, gold, those colors say luxury, mystery, confidence. So the next time you pick a palette, don't just think, what looks nice? Ask, what do I want people to feel? Alright, you've got contrast, clarity, and color down. But let's glue it all together, consistency. If every post looks like it was designed by a different cousin, you've got a problem. Consistency builds recognition, and recognition builds trust. When your visuals look unified, people subconsciously think, professional. Reliable. Legit. Pick your brand colors. Choose your fonts. Stick to them. And for the love of pixels, stop changing your logo placement every other post. Don't worry, you don't need a $3,000 design degree to make magic. Tools like Artistly, Canva, and Adobe Express can help you create pro-quality graphics in minutes. Use templates to save time, but customize them to fit your brand. Otherwise, you'll look like everyone else, and that's the opposite of standout. Let's recap. Creators, contrast grabs attention. Clarity keeps attention. Emotion creates connection. And consistency builds your brand. When you master those 4, you don't just design, you influence perception. And that, my friends, is the secret to graphics that truly stand out. Stay sharp. Stay bold. And as always, keep your graphics Henri Bot approved. If this information was helpful to you, please like, share, and subscribe so that we can grow our channel and spread this useful information to business owners just like you. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.